4. The incredible Cinnamorium songaricum, ginseng of the desert. The main ingredient of hammer is Cinnamorium songaricum, which is also known as the ginseng of the desert. Since centuries ago, it has been medically recognized as the herb of longevity. Cinnamorium songaricum grows in the desert with unique geographical terrain and extreme climate, where the difference in temperature between day and night can be more than 100 degrees Celsius, the highest being 82.3 degrees Celsius, and the lowest being -20 degrees Celsius. This makes it impossible to cultivate this species artificially. Cinnamorium songaricum is a rhizophilous plant. It parasitizes on the root of the Nitrossia. It will appear above the ground in May and June, and begins to ripen in July or August. Cinnamorium songaricum is also a monoecious plant, where its stigma will receive the pollen from the same individual plant. The seed of Cinnamorium songaricum is very tiny, and it looks alike to a human zygote cell under a microscope. Cinnamorium songaricum can only be harvested once a year at a very precise period, which is within 14 days after ripening. This is important as the root of the ripened Cinnamorium songaricum will produce white worms, and these worms will consume the inner part of the plant from the bottom until it becomes an empty shell. At the same time, Cinnamorium songaricum will excrete a balmy odor that attracts animals in the desert to devour the plant itself. Cinnamorium songaricum is rare and very precious among the Chinese traditional herbs, as recorded more than centuries ago in Compendium of Materia Medica. It is therapeutic in male reproductive symptoms like impotence, weakness in muscle and bones, pain of the loin and knees, constipation, and so on. Besides this, Marie de Thierry and Wang Yi Neijing, which existed more than 2,000 years ago, and Cheng Nong's herbal classic from few hundred years ago also recorded the efficacy of Cinnamorium songaricum. Next video. 5. Main ingredients.